Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to restore deleted files on Google Drive. So if I delete that file which is pictures, go for delete, move to bin and it's deleted, you can see. Then go for here you can see bin option. You have to click on it and now just click on in this three dot option. Now go for restore and it is restored on your drive again, you can see. So this is how you can restore a file, a deleted file on Google Drive. Hope this video helped to you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.